Hello, everyone. I'm Qibin Zhao from Recon AIP. Welcome to workshop on tensor network representation in machine learning in conjunction with EGCAI 2020 conference. Tensor network technology has been studied in multidiscipline, such as quantum physics and applied mathematics. In recent years, it was an emergent direction to apply tensor networks in machine learning and AI. In particular, tensor network has been successfully used to tackle the challenge problem in data completion, model compression, multimodal, multitask learning, and learning theory. However, the topic of tensor network in machine learning is relatively young and many open problems are still unemployed. So this workshop aims to bring together researchers from different fields and promote discussions on innovative tensor network technology from theory and algorithm for machine learning and deep learning, together with applications in computer vision, biomedical image processing, NLP, and so on. So I would like to thank other co-organizers, including Cesar from CONICET in Argentina, Guillaume from Mila in Canada, Masashi and Tatsuya from Riken and Nagoya Institute of Technology in Japan, and Xiaoyang and Vanit from Columbia and Purdue University in US, and Zheng from Harbin Institute of Technology in China, and Chuanming from company For Paradigm in China. And we also would like to thank 28 PC members for kindly reviewing the paper, which allow us to have 3 reviewers for each submission. Our workshop received 22 submissions in total, among which 17 high quality submissions were accepted. So we would like to thank all authors for submitting their recent work to our workshop, which is essential to make workshop possible. So finally, we are also happy to have Professor Michael Ng from University of Hong Kong and Nicola Pancotti from Amazon to give us invited talks. So next, I would like to invite Cesar to introduce the workshop program.
Thanks, Chivin. Hello, I'm Cesar Callafa from CONICET, Argentina. On behalf of the workshop organizers, we hope you will enjoy this event. We have a great program today, which is available at our workshop webpage. We will start with 2 30-minute invited talks, each one followed by a 10-minute Q&A session. And then we will have 7 short spotlight talks without Q&A. Then we will have a short break. And in the second part of the program, we will start with 3 contributed talks, 20 minutes length each one, including the corresponding Q&A, and followed by another 7 short spotlight talks without Q&A. Now, let me give you some general instructions to speakers and attendees. For attendees, please keep your microphone mute during the workshop. For asking questions, you can write the questions in the Zoom chat during the talks, not after. And also, you can unmute yourself during the Q&A session and interact with the speaker. And for speakers, given invited or contributed talks, after your presentation, please keep your video and microphone on and read out the questions in the chat and answer them one by one. The chair will assist this. Notice that all the video for the whole workshop will be recorded, and we plan to make it available on YouTube only for those speakers who agreed to share.